You ready, Princess?
We're ready, Nick.
And action.
It's rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the red light.
You shouldn't be afraid of mistakes, Scuba. Mistakes are how we learn.
Today we are going to be working with the guide notes on the grand staff. So let's come over. Remember, I'm going to do a squawk.
Today, January 27th, 2019, we celebrate Mozart's 263rd birthday. This is really fast. Don't know, whoa, this is different. Don't know what this big deal about Mozart is? Let's get to it.
Ready?
Yeah. Some of you are asking, what were they asking? Some of you are asking how we figured out this giant interval from the other day. So we're going to show you how to figure it out. Let's do this one more time. Okay.
Scott Joplin is an African-American composer and pianist. I did it again.
African-American poser.
African-American composer. Ugh.
And don't change the shape or position of your tongue. I lost my place. I can't move it!
Was that Scuba's
Oh yeah, wrong voice. Can't move it.
Hello.
Chug, 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 chug.
Why regular number? Once we've established...
But how will we bring baby back here? Oh, we need a coda symbol. I know. We can plant a coda symbol here. Yeah, rat. Sorry.
Mozart's Requiem is arguably one of the most powerfully emotional pieces ever written.
I'll sing you a riddle, tell me if you're able. Why does the tuba only play low notes? I don't know. It wants to stay out of treble. Stay out of treble. Wow, that was great, baby.
Thanks, bye! I think I would like to try it again, though.
Okay, you ready?
I guess.
All right, look at here. Right in the
Wait, what am I saying again?
Flat, E flat. Oops, I was doing major. C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, D, E flat, G, F.
Well, I can't think of an example right now, so let's go on to contrary motion.
Don't forget the whipped cream and a cherry. That was too cheesy.
Today we're going to learn Up on the Housetop.
Let's come to the piano.
Let's go to the piano.
I'm rolling. Whenever you're ready, action.
1, 2, 3. You're very excited for the day. Just wait till I start singing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Panda.
So I'll be looking away anyway, so I won't notice it. Yeah, almost brushing my face. That's perfect. So I can be like, oh, totally fake.
Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark. Is that how it ends?
Come on, stop arguing.
Arguing.
Maybe you have a younger child, or dang it.
Maybe.
Well, this song is a great one to introduce them to the piano with. Everyone knows Baby Shark, or most people.
I'm gonna write
Ah!